My question is directed to the Minister of Justice. A complainant falsely accused someone of rape. The courts proved beyond doubt that it was a fabrication. And in some cases, some complainants, admit that it was just a fix. Now my question is there any piece of legislation or a policy that will assist or can mandate the courts to divert the same stiffer penalty which was meant for the accused, directed to the complainant? Thank you.
The Honorable Leader of Government Business, Acting Business.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honorable Member for a very intriguing question. Indeed, the separation of powers is clear: legislature, executive, judiciary. And I'm very pleased that the courts are working as they should. And we have found that someone falsely accused and therefore they acquitted this falsely accused person. We must applaud the court for doing so. This suggestion, however, which we must bring to the attention of the Judicial Services Committee, is that the sentence that was to be meted on this be reversed and directed to the those false accusers. That's very interesting and intriguing, and I hope that the judiciary will exercise their minds. I'll pass this on to the responsible minister. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.